Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HAProxy SSL termination for VPS services step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS server via SSH. Use a terminal application such as PuTTY or the command line on Linux or Mac OS. Ensure that you have root or sudo access to the server. Update your package manager to ensure all software is up to date. For Debian-based systems, use the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Install HAProxy if it is not already installed on your server. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt install HAProxy. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install HAProxy. Next, navigate to the HAProxy configuration file. You can typically find this file at /etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. Open the file using your preferred text editor, such as Nano or 6. Begin by defining your frontend section for SSL termination. Add a frontend directive with a name, such as frontend HTTPS in. Specify the bind option to listen on port 443 for SSL connections. Use the line bind *443 SSL. Next, define the backend section for your application servers. Add a backend directive, for example, backend app_servers. Specify the server options with the line server app1 your _app_server_IP port check. Repeat this line for additional application servers as necessary. Now, you need to set up SSL certificates for HAProxy. If you don't have an SSL certificate, consider using Let's Encrypt. Install certbot, the Let's Encrypt client, on your server. Follow the instructions for your specific operating system to generate certificates. Once the certificates are generated, combine them into a single PEM file. Use the command cat fullchain.pem privkey.pem your _cert.pem. Ensure the permissions on the new certificate file are secure. Use chmod 600 to restrict access to the user that runs HAProxy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.